Borneo, known for its geological stability, recently experienced an unexpected earthquake. What caused this rare event? Experts believe hidden fault lines or reactivated ancient structures could be to blame. But how could distant tectonic activities in the Indo-Australian or Philippine sea plates trigger such a local anomaly? Could there be more hidden mysteries beneath Borneo? Stay curious, and click below the arrow to watch the full video on how HR channel reveal this scientific mysteries.